What are you doing?
I'm making sure it's foot long. Your dad. Who ate my chipotle? There's something mysterious happening in this house. I think it's a ghost. The children I didn't swallow.
Can I tell you something?
What, that you're a bottom?
No. Why do you always tell me I'm a bottom?
It's okay, Oliver.
No.
It's okay.
But I'm a top.
No, don't be like that. Accept the truth. I just want to make a normal video just to say I love you to my daughter.
Mother, are you homophobic?
Number 1, you're gay. Number 2, I have a lesbian daughter. Number 3, I watch RuPaul's Drag Race. How can I be homophobic, idiot?